Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready? Make sure Facebook Lite is updated and you're logged in because cached sessions speed the process. Once done, open the app and tap the three-line menu in the top right. This is where navigation hides. You'll see shortcuts and your profile. Tap your profile picture or name to access personal settings. This step launches options relevant to your account, so take it now to move directly into the activity log for video history. Once on your profile, tap the three dots or settings icon to open Activity Log. This screen records actions so you can inspect them. Next, use the filter or categories control and pick videos you've watched. This isolates video view events so you don't wade through likes or comments. Then scroll through the list chronologically. Make sure to use the date filter or the search box to jump to a specific period, because that saves time and finds the exact clip you saw. Finally, review items by tapping any listed entry to open the video or see when you watched it, and use the delete or clear action to remove specific entries if you want privacy. Make sure to confirm deletions, because they're often permanent for that device. If you don't see video history, check that activity log isn't filtered incorrectly. Also make sure app permissions and updates are current, then restart Facebook Lite and repeat the steps to recover missing records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.